Welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, let's explore the DevOps model, a modern approach that brings together development and operations for faster and more reliable software delivery. The DevOps model combines development and operations teams into one continuous process. It focuses on automation, collaboration, and continuous improvement from coding to deployment. As shown here, the DevOps lifecycle forms an infinite loop. Each stage, from planning to monitoring, continuously feeds back into the next for ongoing delivery and improvement. In the planning phase, teams define project goals, timelines, and required features. It sets the roadmap for the entire development and deployment cycle. Here, developers write and integrate code using version control tools like Git. The code is then automatically built into executable files using build automation tools like Jenkins or Maven. In this phase, automated testing tools are used to verify quality. It ensures that every change or update is validated before moving to deployment. Once tested, the software is released and deployed to production environments. Deployment automation tools like Docker, Kubernetes, or Ansible help ensure smooth and error-free delivery. In this phase, the system is monitored for performance and reliability. Continuous monitoring tools like Prometheus or Nagios help detect and resolve issues quickly. DevOps speeds up delivery, reduces failures, and promotes teamwork across development, testing, and operations, improving both quality and efficiency. Thanks for watching QA Vault. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more software testing and SDLC tutorials.